Hello everyone, welcome to your physics class of class 6th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, today in this video we will discuss how to make a magnet. Okay, so let's begin our class. Making a magnet. So a given piece of iron can be made a magnet by these four methods. These are magnetic induction method, single touch method, double touch method and electrical method. Okay, now we will discuss about these methods one by one. First one is magnetic induction method. In magnetic induction method, when a piece of iron is placed and a magnet is brought near this piece of iron, this piece of iron acquires the properties of a magnet because of the presence of this magnet. Suppose this is north pole and this is south pole. Okay, but as soon as we remove this magnet near this from near this iron piece, it will lose its magnetic properties. Okay, so this method is known as magnetic induction, and the pole that this iron piece will acquire is opposite to the pole that is near to this iron piece. Suppose this is north pole and this is south pole of the magnet. So the pole of this iron piece near the magnet is opposite to this one. That is, this is north pole, so this it will acquire south pole. Okay, so we will discuss this activity. Take a long iron nail, put it on the arm of the stand passing through a cork. You can see here this is an iron nail and some pins are spread here. So when you bring a magnet near to this iron nail will acquire the magnetic property, and suppose this is north pole of the magnet, this iron pin will acquire the south pole, and this iron nail, as it has acquired the magnetic properties, starts attracting these pins that are kept here. But as soon as you remove this, you will remove this magnet from near to this iron nail, it will lose its magnetic properties and this pin will again start falling. Okay, so this is magnetic induction method. Thus, by the magnetic induction, the nail or the bar becomes a temporary magnet only in the presence of an external magnet. Means this iron nail will behave like a magnet only in the presence of a magnet. Okay, now polarity is produced by a magnet. When the magnet north south is placed near an iron piece AB, the iron piece behaves like a magnet, and the end A of the iron piece, okay, this is an iron piece and this is end A, okay, of the iron piece near the north pole of the magnet becomes south, while the far end becomes a north pole. As I have already told you that the polarities of this iron piece will be opposite to the magnet. Means suppose the pole of this magnet near to this end A of iron piece is north, so this will acquire south pole and this will be north pole. Okay, now single touch method. Okay, place an iron bar AB on a table and take a bar magnet, this you can see bar magnet, and place it almost vertical with the with its north pole on the end A of the bar. As you can see here, this is north pole of the magnet and it is kept on the end A of the iron bar. Now what you have to do, you have to move this magnet in this position up to the end B of this iron bar. Okay, and then you have to lift this magnet and again you have to keep it at end A, and again you have to move it to the end B, and again you have to repeat this process 20 times at least. And then what you have to do, you have to turn this magnet, this iron bar, upside down. Okay, and then again you have to repeat the same process. Means you have to keep the magnet at end A and then you have to move it towards B, and you have to lift it up, and again you have to keep it at the end A, and then again you have to move it till the end B, and you have to repeat this process up to 20 times again. And by doing so, this iron bar will changes to a magnet. Polarity of this iron bar is, this is north pole and this is south pole. Means that this last end of this iron bar acquires the opposite pole as that of that magnet of this magnet. This magnet has north pole which is touching the iron bar. This pole is north pole of this magnet, and so therefore this this B end of the iron bar acquires south pole and this will acquire north pole. Okay, now next is by double touch method. For double touch method, take two magnets P and Q, as you can see here in this figure, and place them vertically at the center of the iron bar. This is an iron bar AB. Place both these magnets at the center of this iron bar with their opposite poles on one side. This is south pole of this magnet and here north pole. Now keep the cork in between. You have to keep the cork between these two magnets on the bar. Okay, and then move towards the end B. Now now you have to move these two magnets towards the end B, and without raising you have to again move it back towards the end A and then again towards B. Now repeat the process 20 times, means we have to repeat this process 20 times, and then again what we have to do, we have to turn this magnet AB upside down, and again we have to repeat the same process 20 times, and after this iron bar AB turns into a magnet. Okay, and the end A this of the iron bar where the south pole of magnet P leaves becomes north pole, and the end B of the iron bar where the magnet Q leaves becomes a south pole. Okay, so this is double touch method. Now fourth method is bielectrical method. In this method, we have to take a iron bar AB and then wound several turns of insulated copper wire, as you can see here in this picture, over this bar AB. Okay, and then connect the ends of these wires to a battery through a switch. Now as soon as we allow the current to pass through this coil, through this wire, through that are wound around this iron bar AB, this will after some time this iron bar becomes a magnet. Okay, because of the presence of the current in this wire. Now at the end A of the bar at which the current enters the coil in the clockwise direction becomes a south pole, and the other end becomes the north pole, but the polarities can be reversed by changing the direction of current. Suppose if the current enters through the end B, then this will acquire south pole and this will acquire, the other end will acquire the north pole. Okay, when we allow the current to pass through to enter from through the end B. Okay, so this will acquire south and this will acquire north pole. So we can change the direction, we can change the polarities by changing the direction of the current in the coil. Okay, so as soon as the current in the coil is switched off, the iron bar loses its magnetic properties. Means when we switch off the current in this wire that is wound around this iron bar, this iron bar AB loses its magnetic properties, and the iron bar prepared by electrical method is temporary magnet. Okay, therefore the magnet that is prepared by electrical method is a temporary magnet. Okay, so these are the four methods to prepare to make a magnet. Okay, so you have to read this up to here in homework. Okay, so this is all for today. Further explanation I will give you in the next video. Thank you.